Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we break down the charts every single week. So if you like money and you like crypto, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. So in today's video, we're actually coming up to a very key level here. So as you can actually see on the charts, we have been trading within this sideways range here. Actually, let me change that. Within the sideways range here. So it's a very clear sideways range that we can expect to see a price bounce between before we do get a move up. Now, whether we break out now is another question. So what am I looking at here? So if we actually pull our volume range profile, and let's go to the daily for this one. So we can actually see that right now we were holding the value area low of our volume profile as support. And based on the rules of the volume profile, if you hold the low as support, then you're likely going to come up to the point of control, which is this white line here, and then the value area high, which is this level here. So we can expect if we do actually get a move up, that this is going to be a key level of resistance that price may get stuck at. Now, let's get rid of this for a second. Now, if we actually have a look here, one thing I want to point out is the RSI. So we can actually see we're extremely oversold right now at this level. We're below the 30 line, which is this line here. The last time we were actually below this line was back here in March. And if we actually have a look what happened back then, we actually got a massive move to the upside. And if we have a look, that move from the bottom to the top was actually about a 60% move. So it is very possible that we could actually see a similar move again. And if we were to go up around 60% in price, where would that take us? So from where we are at the moment, I can't even fit it on the chart, guys. Let's go to the weekly. So if we measure this out, so a 60% move would actually bring us all the way up to around $41,000. Now, this is actually a very key level because you can see all of the price action that happened around this level here. So that's actually, if we do break out of this high here, that would actually be one of my next targets. It would be that level. And if we actually draw a box real quick, it would be that level around here. And then the next level I would be targeting would be this high here, which would be around the $48,000. So these are the levels that we can expect a lot of resistance at when we do get up to those levels. So based on how oversold we are on the RSI, it's not as much on the weekly, it's more so the daily. But still on the weekly, we do have a lot of room where we can go to the upside, which can give us that big move up. But mainly on that daily, we are very oversold. So I'm expecting to get a move back up to the upside, something like that, which would likely break us to at least these highs up here, if not to that next level, which we were targeting. But the first area that I would definitely look for is to get a move up to the range highs. And then we want to reassess and we want to look at our indicators to see if by the time we get up here, are we still looking bullish? Are we looking like we're going to break out to the next level? Or are we looking like we're going to come back down and retest these lows down here? Now, let me get rid of this. And if we have a look at our momentum wave as well, we can actually see we do have that green dot printed on the daily, and our momentum wave is curving to the upside. And as well, we're actually starting to see that money flow starting to curve as well. So it was coming out before, but it's starting to curve, looking like it wants to come to the upside, which is likely also going to get us that move up. So I'm expecting to at least come up and retest the range highs up here before potentially either getting a move down or a breakout, depending on how the indicators are looking. And that's pretty much all I've got for today, guys. If you liked that video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.